Hello everybody, MD Polo here. Thank you for joining me. Today we do another quick video, and this is going to be on the Walther PPK, the iconic Bond firearm for so many years. Very nice, and it's going to be a short video. It's going to be mostly of what do you think about this one, and if this pistol is still relevant in this 2022. It is a beautiful pistol. It feels very quality. It's solid. This one's not mine. I was my friends over at Shoot Point Blank in Carmel, Indiana, were nice enough to let me film this. I'm here at the range, so any noise you hear, background noise, freedom, firing, you can hear it's going to be from Point Blank. So sorry about that. And also the lighting is not optimum, but hopefully it'll be good enough for this. I want to do a video today to show it to you and hear what you have to say about this. It's, small capacity. That's probably the downside. Nice metal mags. The pistol feels fantastic as far as quality. Is heavy. If you want to see a really good review on this, you got to go to the Honest Outlaw. He did a fantastic review on this, and it was amazing how far away he was shooting it. And for a 380 at that distance, it was quite impressive. So it is clear. It's got a very nice trigger. Let me show you here, let the focus catch up. It's got some take up there, but it's tremendously smooth. And then it goes right away. It feels about 7 pounds, give or take. And then your reset, right there. Very nice. It feels quality, solid. I'm sure you can change grips. You can find other grips if you don't like them, although they're very, very nice. It's got a little bit of a beaver tail. You got your safety. The takedown is very different than anything you're going to see. As you can see here, the trigger guard is on a hinge. So what you have to do is you pull it down. You pull the trigger guard down, and you want to put a little business card or something to keep the trigger guard going back into the frame. So once you got the credit card there or a business card in there, you just slide the frame right off, the slide right off. And after you're done, you put it back in, pull it back, let it sit back into the rails, remove the business card, and back it locks. So very nice. It's got poor excuse for sights, metal sights with little painted red dots. See if this one will pick up. Serrations on the top of the slide. Very, very usable serrations. Come on, focus. Very usable serrations in the back. This is overall, it feels like a very solid quality gun. 38 ACP. We just reviewed not too long ago the newest offering from Sig Sauer, the P365, also in 380. And so you got polymer versus all steel. You've got 7-8 rounds in this metal mag versus 10 rounds of 380 in the SIG. But let me tell you, there's no comparison in the feeling on how this is made. Even like a nice 1911, you run your fingers through it, you don't feel anything. It's just smooth, smooth, smooth. So I'd like to know what you think about this in today's date and with what's available today. Do you think this Walther PPK in 380 is a viable option? Do you own them? Do you shoot them? I've featured them in the channel before, and especially one that has never been shot in with the original box and everything. You may want to reference that video if you're interested. But more than anything, I want to know what you think about this, not only as a pistol, but also in today's market and versus what's available. So thank you very much to Point Blank for letting me film this. Thank you for watching. I look forward to your comments. Please do remember that I upload videos every Friday morning and when I can on Wednesday mornings as well. I'm very active on Instagram, and there you can see what's coming down the pipeline way before it hits the channel. Before we go, I know somebody's going to ask me, and I forgot to tell you, what does this sell for? What's the retail price on this? I didn't look it up. I don't know what the MSRP is, but this is what they're going for locally. So does that change your opinion of what you thought or what you were going to say about this pistol? Once again, I look forward to your comments. Thank you for stopping by, and until the next time, God bless.